In this video, I'm going to walk you through the entire roofing system within PrettyQuizCodes that you can run to businesses and sell every single day. You see, businesses want to get more out of their ad budget, more out of what they're spending to acquire customers, you see? And so whenever you are able to instill an entire nurturing system for these businesses that self-close their customers week after week, and help them to become an authority in their field, in their area, they are going to see the value. And on top of that, you get to stack all of the things that you're already offering with GoHighLevel to this. This is an incredible play. Okay, so what you want to do is you want to go back and you want to find a roofing company and pick any niche, but right now we're doing roofing, okay? Find a roofing company in an area and see what they are running. And so whenever we go on their page, you can see they're who's next. That's it. That's all we get. And they're not really getting much engagement. Now the reason why could be, you know, what it is that they're posting, but that doesn't matter to us. What they need to be doing is they need to be engaging their audience in a way that actually drives the needle. And so the way that we do that is with a lead magnet or an offer or something that they may already be offering to get these leads. And if they're offering it, you can ask them on the call, hey, how effective is this? Is this why you're running it? And you're just trying to help them. So after we look through what it is that they are offering, we're able to go to their website and we're able to look at their Facebook. Similar stuff, similar engagement, not that much. We get to their website and this is where we find what they're offering. Get an instant estimate. Now what I wanted to do before I got over here was check, does this look like a GoHighLevel landing or like page? To me, yes it does. I checked it out. This looks like an old GoHighLevel build before the AI builder and before what we could do with other things. It's not the best, but that's not what we're focused on. We are focused on getting them better nurturing for their customers. Because imagine this is what you're going to do. Imagine that the customer went from this area and instead of going straight to this, they had the experience of going through this. Now, this is for a Lux Realty group. Obviously, I haven't fixed it, I haven't changed it, but I want you to see in the same color scheme, and if we were to have the same home and just change the wording in regards to for a roofing company and have it in their specific branding, which you can do inside of PrettyQuizCodes, then this experience for them, it's going to change the way that their customers view them, and it's all about that first impression. On top of that, this quiz can be as long as you want it to be, and whenever we build it inside of GoHighLevel, which you already have built because of the snapshots that have been designed, you have a full prospecting quiz for this roofing company. So every single lead that's going through this is getting more information, or they're getting that coupon, or they're getting something, that free estimate, and on all of that is being engaged and it's being added to their CRM. So they're getting customers and their customers are seeing them as an authority and as a premium company before they even get to this page, which is extremely important because it's all about that nurturing, the amount of touch points that your customers have. Now they have a massive service area, which is outstanding because they can go to all of these places, they can offer all of these things, and so they have different footprints all over the area. You can contact them and figure this out and help them. I'm telling you, this is incredible. So this is how it would work though. Instead of just being sent here to this page where what do we do next, right? Like you've already, if you have the get incentive and you the blog, service areas, services, contact us. So really all they're really getting is contact us because it hits here, get in touch, right? But if you're giving them and you already have this as a get in touch, now you have another area that they can go. You can instill a landing page that is a funnel that connects to getting the lead into this area. It's seeing them more as a trusted asset, right? Like this is a play that you can run, or if you don't even want to go this route and they wouldn't want to build this because they want to go to their homepage that already has a contact on it, then that's perfectly fine. You have that get in touch. But these pages are designed to convert. They're designed to speak to the customer, to make them see you as a trusted authority. And then by the time they're clicking book that free roofing assessment, then now they're able to get straight onto that calendar, which you can connect. Again, that's already on that homepage, and then have all of this running that seamlessly, right? Because in these areas, then you have knowing where they want to go, and then you get a thank you. All of this branded to their colors, all of this branded to the company. And on top of that, the customer got an incredible customer experience. You can build all of this in no time in GoHighLevel because we already have everything built out for you. That's right. You have the roofing quiz, which is already set up in your area, and we have it completely customizable. So this is just the base. And so what you can do is you can take it back in and have it completely changed to this company. We can set an entire loading screen. We can set every question to their specification. But this is already designed to give you that opportunity to wow them, right? You can set this up so that way it is completely premium. You just take this preview link, you take it into PrettyQuizCodes, and then you set it for the premium quiz, and then this is going to give you the ability to set those URLs. And you can do this before you even get on the phone with them. Only do 2 or 3 of these questions. It takes no time. Have this set up, talk to them about what they'd be getting, and everything runs smoothly. It's all built in. You get all of these already in the automations. So you get funnels, you get websites, you have quizzes, you have all of the automations that you need, including that social media automations, so that way they are connected with Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok if they have those set up, depending on which ones they're running. Now, I wanted to show you a company's page that's doing an outstanding job with this, so that way you get a chance to see what the bar is and see how valuable this can be. All right, so I have them pulled up here, and I just want you to see the value, because whenever you build this out and you have this set up in a way where it is undeniable that you are top of your field, right, and you connect with and you're able to sell to roofers in this way, then the sale happens immediately. And this is, check them out, roofermarketingsolutions.com. They are killing it. Outstanding job. I just had to show this because whenever I found this, I was pretty blown away. This is an outstanding job as far as a website goes. They have all of their I's dotted and T's crossed. Now, if you wanted to just have something simple, which is something that we offer as well inside of PrettyQuizCodes, then this single page that goes into a booking strategy session, as well as a thank you page for your business, which is what you would be running. This is what you'd be offering to, I know this is for realtors, but what you'd be offering for roofers, then the same system applies. This is going to convert over and over and over again because you are buying back the business owner's time. You're buying them the ability to have prospected leads going into their funnel at all times. You're buying them the ability to have a self-closing system. Now, if that's something that you're interested in, if that's something that you are wanting to have a guided hands-on experience with, if you want to have basically the ability to sell right out of the gate with a system that is already proven that's going to convert, then definitely head on over to PrettyQuizCodes. This is where you can get all of this information. Not only can you get complete premium custom quizzes that you can design for GoHighLevel in that click of a button, but on top of that we have everything built out so that way these systems are already built, let me get down to the bottom, already built for you, and it's for every single niche or niche, however you say it. But these are ready to go, and it's to the quality that you just saw for every single business. So you have the ability to hit the ground running and do this for every single business. And I think you can see how valuable that is. Now, you would think that this would cost you an arm and a leg, and it doesn't. This is all available right now for the first 150 for $147. You get all 10 of the niche complete self-closing sales systems, over 20 snapshots, and then if you're one of the first 150, you get a custom quiz designed by me. Now, this system, and this business runs itself. You have direct guidance from yours truly, as well as our team, where we are jumping on calls every single week to help you and guide you. And if this is something that you're looking for, if this is something that you have wanted and needed, if you feel stuck, if you're trying to learn all these systems and go high level, there are so many, and it's outstanding. And I promise you, whenever you're able to offer this, which is the top of their funnel, they want to know everything else. So I look forward to seeing you in there. If you liked this video, then I think you'll like this video next. It's where we go over a little more information on quizzes, and we go over another complete niche build.